Dear traders and investors, welcome to US Stock Advisor. US Stock Advisor is an independent firm dedicated to providing transparent and unbiased stock trading education, strategies, and advice that can be applied to any stock market in the world. In this short video, we will briefly explain 10 crucial steps which you need to understand before trading the stock market. Here is how you should prepare before you actually start buying or selling stocks. The first step is to understand stocks. What is a stock? A stock, also known as a share, refers to the ownership in a company. Companies issue stocks to generate capital. Investors like you can buy stocks and thus get partial ownership in that company. The process of buying and selling stocks is called stock trading, which takes place in the stock market, also known as the stock exchanges, such as New York Stock Exchange. The second step is to understand how online stock trading can generate profit for us. Let's say you buy 100 stocks of a particular company for $10 per stock. So your investment is $1,000. If the price of the stock goes to $11, the value of your investment is $1,100. Now, if you sell your stock, your profit is $100. Conversely, if the price goes down, you will lose money. Therefore, buying and selling stocks at the right time is absolutely critical to make stock trading profitable for you. The third step is to learn where can we buy or sell stocks. Buying and selling stocks is very easy using online trading platforms. These online trading platforms are provided by online stockbrokers. There are many stockbrokers in the market. You simply open an account with a stockbroker, fund your account, and you are ready to start stock trading. Buying and selling stocks can take place with a click of a button, on your computer, laptop, or any mobile device. The fourth step is to choose the right broker. When you trade online, you pay a fee to your broker for every trade you place. This is called a commission. You should choose a broker with a minimum commission, and one that provides quick execution of your orders. The fifth step is to learn the broker's trading platform. Get familiarized with their platform. Brokers typically will provide a demo, or practice account. It is highly recommended that you start trading in a practice account before you actually put your real money in the market. The sixth step is to learn how to select the stocks that you would like to trade. Screening the best performing stocks is crucial. This does not mean going after big brand name companies. Screening criteria can include technical or fundamental analysis. No analysis is better, but having criteria is more important. The seventh step is to master the actual stocks trading process. How and when should you buy or sell stocks? How to place orders on the trading platform. Most of the new traders are aware of buying stocks, and then sell the same stock when the price goes up to make a profit. This is called a long position. Buy low, and then sell high. This is a well-known concept. But many traders and investors do not understand that they can do the opposite, and can still make profits. This is called short selling stocks. Short selling means, you sell a stock at a higher price, and then buy it back when the price falls down. Yes, you can sell a stock that you do not own yet. This is done by borrowing stocks from your broker. When the stock price is expected to rise, you take a long position. When the stock price is expected to fall, you take a short position. The eighth step is learning the risks associated with trading, and how to manage these risks. This includes managing your account size, understanding how many stocks to buy or sell, and using appropriate exit strategies, using a stop loss. The ninth step is to understand your trading or investment style. Every trader and investor is different. One trader may want to make money in a few hours, and another investor is okay to wait for months to make profits. No trading style is better than others. It is a personal preference. Determining your needs, timelines, and your psychology or patience is important. The 10th step is to master a consistently winning strategy. Remember, hope is not a strategy. Hope is the reason the majority of traders lose money. You can either develop your own strategy, or follow a proven strategy that can make consistent profits. Trading in the stock market is not hard. The hardest part is to stay disciplined, and follow a winning strategy. US Stock Advisor offers a consistently successful strategy, and a variety of services for your stock trading needs. To learn more, visit us at www.usstockadvisor.com. or call us at 919-373-5454.